Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and we're continuing our series on how to grow our online business using YouTube Livestream. So today we're going to be talking about the best hardware and software to use when you're doing a YouTube Live. Let's quickly recap first. Why do we use YouTube Livestream? We talked about that, the requirements to use YouTube Livestream, the 3 types of ways you can live stream your YouTube videos, the best practices, and 3 ways to monetize. So today we're going to learn the best software for YouTube Livestream and the best software for YouTube Livestream on mobile devices. We're going to see for desktop, for mobile, and best hardware for live streaming to YouTube. Okay, so let's start with the best software for live stream. So there's a couple of ones I'm going to talk about here, and then we'll go into more detail. So there's OBS, WIRECAST, and XSPLIT Broadcaster. So OBS stands for Open Source Broadcaster. This is free, and it's live streaming software tool that can be easily operated by all beginners. It works perfectly on Linux, Mac, and Windows platforms. It has advanced video editing with customized transitions, and it also has some other cool filters, audio mixers, noise suppressor, automatic gain booster, so you can do some really cool things with your live videos even after the video is done. So there's some real cool things you can do with Open Source Broadcaster, and you can easily access light and dark themes as however you want. So you can really make your videos stand out from your competition. The second is WIRECAST. Now this has a free version and it has a paid version. What this does is that users can encode all live streams from all multiple platforms and servers. So not just YouTube Live, but Facebook Live. And the pro version of this software allows you to add web stream, IP cameras, and other input sources. So it gets a little bit more fancy schmancy. It gives you more audio controls, virtual sets. You can do reply and live scoreboards. This is more for advanced users. So I would say if you're first getting started, start with OBS. Now we also have XSPLIT Broadcaster. This also has a free and a paid version. It has basic audio and video features. But where this differs from OBS is that it offers full HD recording ability. Okay, everything is in HD now. People love watching videos in HD. They don't like having things that are, pixelated or grainy. So this is one reason you may want to consider using XSPLIT Broadcaster. And it offers full HD recording ability on both the free and the paid version. It has easy video editing as well. Now here are the best software for live stream mobile. We have AIRSERVER, WIRECAST Go. Now that's for iOS only. So what's AIRSERVER? Well, what this is that it has it's paid. So you have $7.99 to $11.99 if you're educational. If you want a consumer license, it's $14.99 and $19.99 for a business license. So it is very affordable. It's compatible with Windows, Chromebook, and Android platforms, and the WIRECAST Go is only for iOS, and this is only found, it's an app. So the price is free, but then upgrades are about $5.99. So it's really not that bad at all, very reasonable. It's compatible with the iPod Touch, they still do iPods, iPad, and iPhone. One-click YouTube streaming options, so that's really nice too. It also has unlimited streaming available even for free users, so that's real exciting if you have an Apple. Now one can easily add graphics, logos, and images for streaming, so that's another neat little feature they have, and it replaces all highlights for live broadcasts. Now, let's get to the hardware for live stream. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. this can be a little expensive, and I call this totally optional. So we have the ELGATO Game Capture HD 60 and WEBCASTER X1 for YouTube. Now, usually when they're doing hardware for live stream, this is if you're really going to go hardcore, doing a lot of YouTube live videos. Maybe you're doing some daily shows, or you're really growing and becoming a huge YouTube influencer. This might be something you want to invest in. But if you're getting started, hardware you really don't need to have. But this is also good to know in case you're going to be looking for that option. With the ELGATO, okay, this is pricey. It's about $180. It gives you rich content quality with full HD video support. It can record your overlays, webcam, audio, and gameplay with additional facilities. Separate them per need so users can access anything upon selection. So it gives you some cool stuff to do, and it has easy editing functions that assist in direct upload. WEBCASTER for YouTube. Now they have a separate one also for Facebook Live. But this here, now sticker shock, it's about $330. But it offers easy setup options, and you have a pairing code. This just helps you, your streams work much better, so you can even make your quality audio and video. It also helps you with Wi-Fi and Ethernet. So those are the options that are available for you. So I would suggest look at the software first to kind of help you make your videos stand apart. And if you're looking at really becoming, going all in and really becoming a YouTube influencer, you may want to consider investing in the hardware. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, leave a comment and share. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button you see in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, because I create content on an almost a daily basis, and I want you to make sure you get notified when we go live with the next installment, which is how we're going to grow your YouTube live stream audience. Before you go, make sure you check out and register for the free web masterclass my pal and video marketing expert Mark Harbert has put together, where he's going to walk you through and show you how to create compelling videos, even for live stream, that will help you get more leads, reps, and customers for your business. And just for registering, he's also going to throw in a free PDF download of 101 hot video ideas where you never have to wonder about what to make a video about again. To register for this class, just go to www.drlisamthompson.com/video system. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.